It's been a while since I left. Nobody knows where I went, but I think I found my place. Oh, it don't matter if I'm lost, because I know when I'm with you I'm home. When I'm with you I'm home. Yeah. When I'm with you I'm home. When I'm with you I'm home. It don't matter if I'm lost, because I know. It don't matter if I'm lost, because I know when I'm with you I'm home.
Hey, it's me. Hi, how are you? I just got home from my walk and we are about to start making dinner. Jordan and we are making I think we're making chicken katsu curry, which I'm very excited about. I like the pork version, but I love the chicken version. So Jordan will be making the chicken and I will be doing like all the prep for the veggies and the curry and the potatoes. And we're just gonna have like a cozy night in. I really enjoyed my walk. I find that as long as I move once a day, just about every day, I'm a lot happier up in my brain. And moving back home where there's seasons, I really have to like be, sorry, there's a plane. You wanna see? Get in. Oh, it just went behind the tree. I find that especially moving back home now with seasons, I need to be extra careful about my like mental health and taking care of it. I have a tendency to go a little dark during the winter months, and that wasn't really something that was really bad on the coast because the seasons are so like mild, if that makes sense. Like there's still lots of sun, there's still like, it doesn't get dark, it doesn't get gloomy, it doesn't get that cold, it doesn't get that wet. So well, I mean it gets wet, but that's the coast. So like it was a lot easier to manage, and I'm trying to get ahead of it so that I don't get all dark and twisty this winter like I tend to do. So I went for a nice little fall walk and I feel good. I feel good. It feels nice to move my body. And it feels good to just like get outside a little bit too. That's something I forget to do a lot, just to go outside. Yeah, no, that makes sense. I just want to know like a rough amount. That's to me. Still have it. Is this right?
Alright guys, I am getting ready for bed and I am pooped. I have about 30 minutes of editing left to do today, but I'll spare that. I'll spare you guys the extra editing. I just couldn't get everything done in time. I've got about 30 more minutes of editing before I can crawl into bed, but I wanted to brush my teeth and wash my face so that the second I'm done editing, I can crawl into bed and not worry about anything. That is the way I like to do things. I like to do all the things I have to do first and get them out of the way so that when it's time to me just do the thing I want to do, I can just do it. And I don't have to worry about other things I need to do. So I'm going to get my teeth brushed and wash my face. But this is how I'm going to sign off this video in this very fancy look. I will see you guys next Sunday. If you liked me, please consider subscribing. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you have anything to say, please leave a comment down below. I love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for being here. And what's the other thing? Oh yeah, I also have a main channel. This is not the main channel, but you can go check out my main channel where I do DIY content. I post there every Sunday. And on this channel every Wednesday. I will see you guys next Wednesday. Bye.